Most iconic entry of ever I seen. See the front of our and Lord Hanuman comes in our outside, hang on the rope and come down the stage. We see the Lord Ganesha's unique art. They made by the gold and silver. We are see the scene, and some people say in a mic when the Ravan is come. You see the Lord Ganesha statue. It's all statue made by gold and silver coating. And so guys, welcome back in my vlog. And so guys, now I started my vlog. And guys, now I am in our Badi Sadak road. And guys, now me going to the our Jalna Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Chowk, because there is a most iconic Ganeshas of our whole Ganesh festival. You never seen this type of Lord Ganesha. So stay in my vlog. And guys, now this type of scene of our Badi Sadak road. And when was night, this full road was blocked by people to come to the see the all Lord Ganeshas. And guys, you see the decoration of our Jalna's Badi Sadak Chowk. How it's a decorated all thing. Everywhere used to the lights, decoration, banners, boards. Here is a little market now. Toys and etc. Everything here is. You see guys, how it's a big pandal, how it's a big this stage. And guys, now I come to our Jalna Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Putala and to see the Anokha Ganesh Mandal. And guys, its name is Anokha Ganesh Mandal, means a strange Ganesh Mandal, and its name is Anokha. It's a literally strange, guys. This is the best and biggest Ganesh Mandal of our Jalna city. And guys, now I go to there and now you see how it's a strange and how it's a unique thing. They made this Ganesh Mandal. It's a Anokha. Make a strange Ganesh Mandal. Guys, this scene in our Jalna's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Putala. And guys, now I go to take the darshan of our Anokha Ganesh Mandal. And guys, you see our Anokha Ganesh Mandal's Ganpati. And guys, now welcome to my vlog. And guys, we go to the Jalna Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Chowk and we see that there's the Jalna Anokha Ganesh Mandal. And there we see the Lord Ganesha's unique art that's made by the gold and silver. We see the Lord Ganesha's unique art. They made by the gold and silver. Guys, you see anywhere the gold and silver coatings, Ganpati Bappa, Lord Ganesha's, and that thing is the unique by our Jalnas. And that's Mandal's name, the Anokha Ganesh Mandal, means the unique Ganesh Mandal, strange Ganesh Mandal. And that's name is the Anokha. That's unique, and their works also unique, guys. And every year he get the every year get the unique and unthinkable art in our Jalna city. And guys, now this year he do this year is a dance performance, and I think previous year he also has a dance performance. And guys, there's Anokha Ganesh's main special thing is you see the Lord Ganesha's beautiful statue, guys, and whole Ganesha's murti was made by 24 karat gold and silver used making of our Lord Ganesha's structure. And guys, that's I think price worth I think 2 crore rupees, and I think 108 kilograms their weight, but I think too much of a 108 kilograms weight. It's a minimum, guys. It's a not confirm. It's a minimum. I think it's a minimum because they made full of silver and gold. I think it's so heavy because I see their structure. I think there is a too much weight of their Lord Ganesha statue. And this structure and this Lord Ganesha's unique murti was unbelievable, guys. And guys, also comment now where you see the Lord Ganesha's 51 not 108 kilograms Lord Ganesha's gold and silver coating murti. So comment now, guys. Anokha Ganesh Mandal's whole that's work also was unique, and everywhere he gave the some unique experience of our Jalnagar. And there Anokha Ganesh Mandal most famous event is Ramayana. Yes, guys. And guys, why is the most iconic and why is the rememberable of our Jalnakar's event? Because there that's time, Anukha Ganesh Mandal was gave to some unique and unbelievable experience of our Jalnakar. Whole Ramayan scene was set by their Anukha Ganesh Mandal, and that's a iconic thing and attractive thing is the Lord Hanuman. And guys, I think I told you their side stage, and there happened the whole Ramayan. I see there to the Ramayan, and our backside the Lord Hanuman comes in the our backside, and that's hang on the rope. And guys, we don't know the Lord Hanuman comes in outside our this scene. I see this scene, the Ramayanam, and Lord Hanuman's entry was unbelievable, guys. Because I see theirs, and we are see the scene, and some people say in a mic when the Ravan is come, Shri Ram is come, Shri Lakshman is come. We are see the scene, and some people say on mic whole scene. And when he say Lord Hanuman was come, we are see the stage. Which side he's come? This side or this side? We are see say all stage. We see the all stage. Where is the Lord Hanuman? And it's a big blast, guys. Lord Hanuman comes in our outside with hang on the rope and comes down the stage. The Lord Hanuman comes, he's floating like this floating, guys. And Lord Hanuman comes to their stage. And guys, most iconic scene of our Anokha Ganesh Mandal. And every Jalnakar remember, guys, these days the Lord Hanuman how it's come to down. Now this Anokha Ganesh Mandal, and I think it's happened. I think 4 or 5 years ago. Yes, guys. Before the lockdown here happened, and some after time the I think lockdown in our Jalna city, and I can't celebrate the Ganesh festivals, and that's when lockdown was complete, and that's year. I think this next project was the Ram Mandir. Whole Ram Mandir was made by the thermocol. Yes, thermocol used to make the Ram Mandir. And guys, previous year I think his project was the art, dancing. Yes, guys, dance. And now this year also this project was the dance. And guys, it's a unique dance. You see this evening how it's the Anokha Ganesh Mandal celebrates and made our Ganesh festival was Anokha, means strange. So also, guys, stay tuned in the vlog for the evening. And guys, you experience the Anokha Ganesh Mandal's unbelievable experience in our Jalna city. And guys, comment now which city you watch in our Anokha Ganesh Mandal. So comment this. And guys, now I come to our Jalna's Azad Maidan, and now I go to the home. So stay tuned in my vlog. And guys, you see this line, and this is the all line to take the prasad. आगे भाई आगे काय का प्रसाद है? अच्छा ये क्या है? थैंक यू. तो भैया ने हमें प्रसाद दिया है. हाँ लोगों ने आते आते रहेंगे गाइड यहाँ पर अपन.
शिवाय नमः स्वाहा, नारायणाय नमः स्वाहा, माधवाय नमः स्वाहा, गोविंदाय नमः स्वाहा, पद्मनाभाय नमः स्वाहा, दामोदराय नमः स्वाहा.
जरूर. हाँ,
आपका चैनल का नाम बोलो.
प्रतीक यत्नाळ.
सब्सक्राइब करेंगे. क्या बोले ऑफिस?
प्रतीक यत्नाळ.
कृष्ण भक्त गणेश मंडळ.
And guys, also we goes to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Putala, and guys, you see the our Jalna's unique Ganpati, and you think about it, how it's a made Ganpati of our Jalna city, and it's a unique Ganpati, guys. And also, guys, now we go to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Putala, and you see the unique Ganpati Bappa, Lord Ganesha in our Jalna, and guys, you see and you think how it's a made it. This type unique Ganesha was our Jalna, and me and my friend go there. Now we come to the Appa Ganesh Mandal, and guys, you see how it's a mandal. That's name Appa Ganesh Mandal, and themes only correct, the Appa Ganesh Mandal. Here is a buffalo and here is the Lord Ganesh Mandal. And guys, you see how it's a unique type of Ganesh Mandal of our Jalna city. And this mandal has the near of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Putala. There is a all entrance, and here is the first mandal of this Ganpati of Appa Ganesh Mandal. And guys, how it's so comment now. Now this is the main attractive things of our Jalna city. This is the main mandal of our Jalna, and this is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Putala, and here is the main our main mandal and most interesting mandal of our Jalna. That's the Anokha Ganesh Mandal, and that mandal we meet today. And here is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Putala Chowk, and guys, you see how it's the scene. And that side we come. That side we are come now.
अरे मैंने तो पिछले वर्ष जब आया था, पिछले साल जब यहाँ पर आया तो मुझे सुनने को मिला था कि जालना सोने का पालना. ऐसे नहीं मिलता सोने का पालना, जैसे आप लोग चाहे कुछ नहीं.
And guys, you see.
जोरदार जयकारे के साथ में गणपति जी की आराधना करेंगे और सभी मिलकर के गणपति जी का दर्शन करेंगे. बोलो गणपति जी महाराज.
And guys, now we come to the our Anokha Ganesh Mandal, and guys, you see the Lord Ganesha statue. It's all statue made by gold and silver coating. This whole Ganpati was weighed the 108 kilograms.
सुंदर सी प्रस्तुति.
Its whole Ganpati was the 108 kilograms. And guys, you see Lord Ganesha, the unique
नीचे उतर नीचे.
unique statue of our Jalna.
बोले गणपति जी महाराज की
जय।
तो ये थी प्रस्तुति सुनील अनिल तिलकधारी आर्ट ग्रुप के द्वारा. अगर आपको अच्छी नहीं लगी हो,
And guys, now we come to the Anokha Ganesh Mandal and you see this show and how it's go to our show, how it's feel. So comment now. Guys, now we take the darshan of Anokha Ganesh Mandal and now we left to the home.
जय देव लंबोदर पीताम्बर परिवार.
And guys, now you see this crowd how to huge, and he all crowd go to the Anokha Ganesh Mandal.